today will be a very interesting and good experience that you will learn from the two great teams from Imagine and Assemblers.
Today we'll be using the Waijung software with MATLAB Simulink to deploy whatever we design in MATLAB Simulink control algorithms to ESP32. This is a software that automatically generates C code from your MATLAB Simulink and deploys it to ESP32 microcontrollers. We also This one is purely software, okay, 1A. 1B will be when you deploy what you have designed today to real hardware and you will be creating a real device. That will be project 1B. When you will be deploying the Simulink and Stateflow and MATLAB model to ESP32 microcontrollers. So we have the hardware prepared at the back, right, using Waijung 2. And that's when you learn about what Waijung 2 can do and how automatic code generation.
Firstly, we create a simulation model using MATLAB, and then it's quite hard to implement these kind of things in hardware on our own from scratch. Waijung 2 software is really easy to create C codes from simulation model, and we can implement our projects easily. Waijung makes life easy.
I think it will make it easier. Waijung will make the work much more easier because it will reduce coding and all, and also simplify the whole process, to save time. And if I embark on some kind of AI related, automation related project, then I will consider using Waijung. I think it could be very useful.
Okay, so basically I'm much more like this thing because it doesn't take much time, and also the compiling process is automatic, so we don't have to write the whole code in terms of like errors. Chances are there more in the code, so just directly do the flowchart work and then compile. So it is very helpful for us as a student. It's also time saving. You don't have to waste much time on compiling the code and the things. Just directly apply and it will automatically compile, and then you can directly use your hardware to compile and make the code. So for students it is also time saving, and also for industries it's also time saving. So it's very good for us.
Before joining this program, actually I don't know about IoT, but I suppose that after joining this program I will get some knowledge, the new things, and I hope and I believe that I can study from the next semester. I will start my thesis, and I hope that the knowledge I get from this training session, I can use this knowledge getting from this session into my thesis. Yes.
What do you think about the Waijung 2 block set will help your project?
I think, for example, if I make my thesis or research into the climate change or something, I think so. For this thesis, I will need the sensor for data collection, and I think I can control and get the data by using this IoT.